Back again with these motorbike injectors. Been in the bath. One of them took about 20 minutes in the bath to get itself loosened off. So we shall now prime the system and see where we're going. Straight away, all of them working. Fantastic. One step closer. We shall now just carry out a leak test to make sure we haven't got any leaks on them. One of them we potentially have got a leak there. Bear in mind these injectors haven't ran for a while. You may well be able to sort that out. Just increasing the pressure on it there. It's potentially got a leak on number one. We are going to go back again and carry out an inductance test. So far they're all, I think it's safe to say, they're all very, very similar. I won't record this full stint because this is going to take a while. What we can see is the spray patterns between them all are very varied, so there's going to be room for improvement there as well. I'll come back shortly once we've carried out this.